How to make a parametric modular kitchen casework in Revit. Part 8, base unit, 2 drawers, cooktop. Let's start. Duplicate base unit, 2 drawers. Copy and paste and rename it to base unit, 2 drawers, cooktop. Okay, open the file. Okay, next go to reference level, go to family types, delete this type. Okay, we don't need this, delete. Keep only the 36 centimeter and rename and change the width to 120 centimeter. Change the width to 1200 millimeter or 120 centimeter. Delete the reference plane. Okay, next download and open the cooktop 5 gas burner Electrolux. Load into the project. Select base unit, 2 drawers, cooktop. Okay. Next, insert pick. Okay, let's change the detail level to fine. Align, select the center reference plane and select the center of the cooktop. Lock. Let's make an annotate dimension the back of the cooktop. Select the dimension, create new parameter and type cooktop offset. Okay, go to family types, change the cooktop offset to 50 millimeter. Apply. Okay, next go to front elevation. Okay, change the detail level to fine. Graphic display, select the wireframe. Okay, select the cooktop, move. Let's move the cooktop close to the countertop. Select align, select this reference plane, select the bottom of the glass, pick. Okay, lock. Okay, next go to view, detail levels fine, go to reference level. Let's create an extrusion, pick lines, offset value 10 millimeter, pick the edge of the cooktop. Okay, pick the 4 sides of the cooktop, then select the trim the 4 corners or only the 2 corners. Finish. Go to front elevation, move the arrow up. Okay, move, then align, select this reference plane, select this edge. Okay, let's create a reference plane. Okay, dimension, select this reference plane and this reference plane, select the reference plane, change the dimension to 200, select the dimension and lock. Okay, align, select the reference plane, select the edge and lock. Okay, go to 3D view, select the solid, change the solid to void. Okay, select cut, select the countertop, select the void. Okay, then pick, then select the module and select the void. Okay, next let's go to family types, select the cooktop offset, move the parameter down below the countertop thickness. Okay, next save the family. Okay, load into the project. Okay, space to rotate the unit, pick. Okay, select the unit. Let's make a copy, duplicate, go to edit type, then let's make a width of 90 centimeter and change the width to 0.9 meters or 90 centimeters. Okay, done. Thank you.